Come with me as I give this table a facelift and make it look modern and beautiful, something Pinterest worthy. Believe it or not, I got this table from a pawn shop and this table was going for 200 rand. I believe in making heaven for yourself, guys. If you cannot afford something, don't beat yourself up, okay? Make it. Anyway, so I'm going in with PVC pipes from a table that I DIY'd, but it flopped. So I was like, I'm not going to waste these things, guys. After all, I spent money on it, okay? So I'm showing you how long these PVC pipes are. You can get this from a hardware store. These are electrical cords, something like that. I don't know, that's what they use them for. I went ahead and cut the PVC pipes to the height that I wanted and made sure that everything is straight. I sanded them down because I want when my table is standing on these things, it doesn't look crooked. And yeah, so like I was saying about making your own heaven, I got 5,000 rand for a quotation for this table and I was like, I cannot afford that. I'm gonna DIY. I'm encouraging you to get up and DIY. Try and DIY something. DIY don't necessarily have to be expensive. Just look around you, think out of the box. Go on Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. There's so many inspiration, guys. Just think around the box. Like right now, I didn't even know that I could DIY things, guys. I've DIYed so many things for my home and it looks beautiful. It looks good. And yeah, so I went in with 3 coats of paint on this table. I like it. I like how it looks like. When I put this table on my house, I was like, oh my gosh, guys, this looks exactly like what I saw on Pinterest. But how much did I spend on this? I spent 240 rand, guys. You cannot beat this. I'm not counting the paints because I already had the paints, but the table was 200 rand plus the pipes were like 20 rand each. I got to, guys, I'm not even joking. So I'm just encouraging you, go out of your way, try and make something look beautiful. Try and make something for yourself. It's not every time that you gotta pay. This is the table after the first coat of paint and this is the second coat of paint. I did 3 coats of paint on this table and it looks good, guys. When I put it in my house, it looked so different and beautiful. It just elevated my space. I really love this. Tell me, would you try out this DIY? Please show this video some love by liking and commenting.